Okay, friends, here's another piece of equipment that I think is essential to a homeowner: power washer. I don't know, I've had this Briggs and Stratton power washer for, I don't know, 19, 20 years. It has a few problems. I'm going to get it fixed up. I got a few projects coming up that I need to use this power washer on. So one of the things I noticed last year, I tried to fix it. Gas tank started to leak. I tried to fix it with some gas seal. It didn't work out so hot, but that stuff just peels right off there. Anyway, I got this thing off, looked up the part number, and within a few keystrokes I found this thing on Amazon. So I got one ordered. Should be here sometime in the next couple of days. Get that on there, and then do a few other things. I might change the spark plug, get the oil change in it, and new air filter. And this thing should be running pretty smooth, so can't go wrong. Well, I guess you can go. I've had some issues with Briggs and Stratton over my life, but this seems to be a pretty good engine here. It's a 5.5 horsepower engine. It's been working really good. So get a new gas tank on it, new plug in it, and some fresh oil, and we should be in business. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to continue with this video, getting this power washer going. Looks like got my gas tank today from Briggs and Stratton here. Let's see if it's the right one. Let's go do the trick or not. Telling me that gas degrades over time. To keep your fuel fresh, use fresh start. Continue fuel preservation. Okay. Well, watch my video on gas for small engines. But anyway, hope it has a lid in there. It has a lid. Looks like it's the right one. Yeah, there we go. Let's get this thing on there. This thing goes. Okay, just like that. That's good to go. Oh, let's get the air filter in there. Takes the same air filter as my lawnmower, Honda lawnmower. How about that? There's that now. Let's put some gas in it, see if I can get her to start. still working on this power washer here. Nothing's as easy as it seems. Gas line completely cracked. Leaks like a sieve. Putting on a new. Right there, I got a hook new line in there. I just happened to, seems like I just went through this on a Briggs and Stratton fire pumper I had. It had some extra hose right here left over. Go get that on there. Yeah.
Dinner's ready.
Alright, be there in just a sec. Alright, let's set it down and see if it leaks. Alright. Problem solved. Maybe. You heard the young lady? Let's go eat dinner. Alright, let's see if this thing was going to run for me. First pull. And that is all there is to it. So give me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. More fun coming your way.